Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Queen and Nikki. My returning subscribers, thanks for always tuning in to the channel. And if today is your first time turning to this channel, you guys are welcome. Please don't forget to hit subscribe button to join the family. Also, share this video to your friends and family. And if this video is helpful to you guys, please leave a comment in a comment section. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do this lovely hairstyle on natural hair. As you can see, the natural hair is washed already, and what I'm actually doing here, I'm applying leave-in conditioner just to make the hair fluffy, like to make it more easier for me to comb. So after applying the leave-in conditioner, you can apply any type of any choice of your leave-in conditioner. So after applying it, so I'm trying to comb it. So guys, while you're trying to comb natural hair, it's actually different from the way you comb permed hair. So if you're combing natural hair, you don't comb it everything at once. Can you see? You comb it portion by portion, like you divide it and comb it. Can you see how I'm combing it? So guys, note that whenever you are combing natural hair, is quite different from the way you comb permed hair. So after, when you are done with the combing it in a portion by portion, you go ahead and comb everything together, and that's what I'm doing here, guys. So now, after when I'm done with the combing parts, so I proceed by twisting the hair. Can you see, guys? So I'm twisting it using box braid method. This particular hairstyle is a kind of a style that's in form of a two-step. So I section the hair into two portion while I'm trying to do the back part two strand twist. Can you see, guys? So I'm using box braid method. Then I'm applying my twist and lock to make it bounce. So when you're trying to achieve this bouncing two strand twist, you try to twist it to the left. Yes, if you want to achieve bouncing twisting, so that's the only way you can achieve it. Can you see, guys? So now that I keep going with this lovely hairstyle, please, my lovely people, please share this video to your friends and family. And also, please, I'm begging you guys, please watch ads. That's the only way you can appreciate your gear. Yeah, please watch ads. And I'm so sorry because I've not been able to upload. I'm so sorry, guys. Please pardon me. I'm back fully to be giving you back to back hairstyle. So this particular one, can you see, guys? NEPA took the light and everywhere is dark, so I had to move outside for you guys to see clearly. But just bear with me. If the video is dark a bit, just bear with me. There's no light and everywhere is dark. So guys, can you see? So now I'm done with the twisting parts. Like, I'm going to the front part, and that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to comb it out, natural hair. And this my client's hair. Her hair is coarse hair, so I need to handle it with care. Can you see, guys? So just pay attention and see. The video is simple hairstyle, like simple tutorial, but at least you'll still learn something different. So now what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to cornrow this particular side. Can you see? Just pay attention and you guys will love the outcome of the hairstyle. Is a natural hair. So please let me know in the comment section if you guys love this video.
Let me
If you
know,
love the
and don't
outcome of the
forget
video, let
to
me know.
turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, that's how I keep going with this lovely tutorial. I'll let you guys see yourself and see how I'm braiding it. So after when I'm done with that first part, remember I sectioned the small one first. I braided it that side before joining it with another long one. So this particular one now, I'm trying to braid another long one. Can you see, guys? Just pay attention, watch carefully, and you guys will understand what I'm trying to explain. It's a short video, is a simple tutorial, but you will love the outcome. So guys, that's how I keep going with this lovely hairstyle. Can you see, guys? So you keep braiding it. So after when I braided like three more cornrow, so I decide to create another style that will make it look more beautiful. So you'll see the style that I'm trying to explain now. I don't know how to explain that part, but just pay attention and see how I'm trying to create the style. So when you're trying to twist the tips of the cornrow, make sure you apply twist and lock for the hair to look very neat and to make it bounce. So after that, guys, this particular one, I section one big one aside as if I want to cornrow the hair. But here, this is the way I'll cornrow the hair. Can you see? It's not in form of straight, but I'm trying to cut it like small cutting. Just see it yourself. Can you see, guys? So I try to give it a pattern to make the hairstyle look more beautiful. So guys, can you see? So as I'm cutting it, I apply my hair cream, then I go ahead and cornrow the hair. Can you see, guys? The way I'm cornrolling the hair is in form of side. So after when I'm done, then I'll go ahead. Can you see? So I'm done with this part. Remember, I'll be repeating the same style on the other part. So I'm just trying to show you one part. So after that, so I go ahead and cut another one. Then as I'm braiding it, like as I'm doing the cornrow, I pick the small patterns, the tips, then I add it together and braid it together. Can you see, guys? So just see, then you mat it together. That's the best way to call it. You mat it together. Can you see, guys? So you keep braiding the hair, then when you get to that part, you attach it and you mat it. Can you see, guys? That's how I keep going with this lovely hair tie. So when I'm done with this part, I'll just do the straight cornrow at the middle. But this same pattern that I created this side, I'll also create it on the other side. And that's all about this lovely hairstyle. So guys, when you are done, can you see? I'm done with this first part. So I'll do the other side off camera. So guys, when you are done, you go ahead and apply your mousse. Then you go ahead and dry the hair, but this particular one I'm not drying it. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in my next video.